Building an e-commerce business in 2024 might seem like a gold rush, and it really is one of the greatest opportunities of our time. But with this opportunity comes a challenge. As more people dive into e-commerce, the competition becomes fiercer, the cost of ads rises, and customer attention is harder to grab. But here's the thing. Despite these challenges, you can create a successful, profitable online store if you use the right strategies and tools. Today, we'll go step by step through the approaches top e-commerce brands are using to thrive in 2024. Stick around until the end for a tactic that could become your game changer. The first key step: nail down your niche and audience. Successful e-commerce isn't about serving everyone. It's about finding a specific audience with unique needs. For example, instead of selling general pet supplies, imagine focusing on eco-friendly products for pet owners who care deeply about sustainability. Or think about tech-driven products for fitness enthusiasts who want the latest in wearable tech. The narrower your focus, the less you compete with bigger players. You're not just selling products, you're building a brand that resonates with specific values and passions. This clarity around who you serve will become the foundation for everything else you do. Once you've defined your audience, the next step is to build a strong brand identity. And this is more than a logo. It's everything from your brand's voice to the colors, visuals, and experiences you create. Picture visiting a website where every detail, from the fonts to the product photos, makes you feel like it was made just for you. That's brand identity, and it's critical for standing out in today's e-commerce landscape. Now that you've got a niche and brand identity, how do you actually turn visitors into customers? Here's where creating a high-converting product page comes in. In 2024, a product page has to go beyond a basic description. You need high-quality images, a compelling story that explains why your product exists, and specific benefits that meet your audience's needs. And here's a pro tip. Use social proof. Reviews, testimonials, even video reviews from real customers can make a massive difference. Imagine landing on a product page where you see real stories from people who've tried and loved it. It's hard not to buy when you see that level of authenticity. Before we dive into the next game-changing strategy, if you're looking to create standout ads that drive clicks and conversions, I've got something that can help you. Check out adcreative.ai, a platform that uses AI to generate high-performing ad banners, texts, photo shoots, and even videos that are tailored to catch attention. Imagine having ad visuals created specifically to attract customers, all without hiring a designer. So if you're serious about boosting your e-commerce business, head over to adcreative.ai and see the difference for yourself. All right, back to the strategies. Once you've set up your product pages and are seeing conversions, let's talk about retention and customer experience. Getting a sale is only the beginning. In today's e-commerce world, profitability often comes from keeping your customers coming back. This means creating a memorable experience from start to finish. Send personalized thank you notes, follow up with emails, offer loyalty discounts, show your customers that you care. This experience builds loyalty, and repeat customers are where your real profits lie. Now, we've covered attracting and converting customers, but what about growth? Here's where leveraging data and optimization comes in. In 2024, data is your best friend. The top e-commerce brands are constantly tracking metrics like conversion rates, ad performance, and customer behavior. This data shows exactly what's working and what needs adjusting to improve results. Imagine being able to see which ad campaigns bring in the highest sales, which product pages convert best, and even where people spend the most time on your site. With this knowledge, you can optimize every detail to maximize profits. The main takeaway? Building a profitable e-commerce business in 2024 is possible, even with the challenges we face today. Success is about working smarter, not harder. Define your niche. Build a brand that resonates, optimize your product pages, create a stellar customer experience, and use data to guide your decisions. You don't need a huge budget to create something meaningful. You need a strategic approach. So, What's stopping you? The opportunity is right in front of you. Use these strategies, build a business that's meaningful, and create something you're proud of. And remember, success in e-commerce doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who take action now. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share which strategy you're going to use first in the comments. And if you're ready to create winning ad creatives, don't forget to check out adcreative.ai for AD designs that'll drive real results. Here's to making 2024 your year for e-commerce success.